Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to disable safe mode on Android. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Disabling safe mode on an Android device depends on the reason it entered safe mode. So here are general steps to exit safe mode. So the first thing we need to do is hold down the power button on your Android device until the power off or restart menu appears. Depending on your device, selecting restart or reboot from the menu. Allow your device to complete the restart process. Once the device restarts, it should exit safe mode. If this method doesn't work, you might need to try the next method. Check for stuck volume buttons. Turn off your Android device. Ensure that none of the volume buttons are stuck or continuously pressed. If any buttons are stuck, gently clean or adjust them to ensure they are functioning properly. Power on your device and check if it starts normally. Method 3. Uninstall recently installed apps. So now let's open the settings app on your Android device. Navigate to the Apps or Application Manager section. And now go ahead and tap on the 3 level lines icon. Then choose to tap the last used. Then hit OK. Then uninstall any recently installed apps that might be causing issues. Restart your device and check if it exits safe mode. Method 4. Perform a factory reset. Note: performing a factory reset will erase all data on your device. Use this as a last resort. And now let's open the settings app on your Android device. Navigate to the System or General Management section. Look for Reset, Reset Option, or Backup and Reset. Choose Factory Data Reset or a similar option. Then follow the on-screen instructions to reset your device. After the factory reset, set off your device again, and it should exit safe mode. If none of these methods work, there might be an issue with your device that requires professional attention. Consider reaching out to the device manufacturer support or your service provider for assistance. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.